Alright guys, it's PA monthly test time. I have all my stations prepared out, ready right here on my end deck, ready to go. So yeah, we're pretty much waiting for Cap to go, and then yeah, hell will ensue from there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stations ready to go. Still nothing yet from Cap. But WESA will be the first to go. And then KKA, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stations actually. We have 9 stations. Still waiting for Cap to send the test out. Yeah, it says July 21st, 10:15 a.m. So yeah, I will resume filming once Cap has sent the test. Okay, y'all, so 10 minutes later, 10:25, still no Cap. What's going on here? Okay, there goes Cap! There goes Cap! Okay, y'all. Yep, there they go! There they go! Here they go.
This is a
All right.
statewide Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
All right, 2 stations down. Many more to go. KK's going. KK's going. Here's my end deck too. .1250's going. K-Love. You got that bitches! My index are going too.
Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test. This condition. There is Katie in Connecticut.
All right, and my index have went. We're still awaiting these 3 stations to go. W 7.9, Star, and Fan. I'm not sure if WJAS went. Okay, so it seems like they have not went yet. But we still have a few stations to go. And then we have KISS at the 15-minute mark. And then after that, we have WQED at the 1-hour mark. So yeah, guys, stay tuned.
Test.
Hi!
Test alert.
You could say that
All right.
Pi makes workers' comp insurance as easy as pie, with friendly
All right.
representatives just a call away. No wonder customers rate our service excellent.
This is a statewide required monthly test for the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
All right, there we go. All right, so those three are done. That was the KKFM chain, which is Fan, Star, and then WDSY. Now we still have to wait on WKST, WQED, and maybe WJIS. I'm not sure if they were going at all. But yeah, guys, once again, stay tuned. Hi, WQED! Hi, WQED!
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Yesterday, the president said that he got cancer from rain that had a lot of oil in it.
All right, WQED. And then lastly, WKST. I'm not sure if they gone yet. Hi, Kiss! Why did you do 3?
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Alrighty. So, honestly, I don't think WJS is going to go. So that will be all the stations that I'll be getting for today's monthly test. And yeah, guys, that's going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.